thing you need to do is buy a coconut. Once you have opened it, you need to carve out all the fruit. Now, we take a little piece of tape and we place it on the back of our template so that it will stick on the coconut so it will not move when we are tracing it. Once you are done tracing your turtle, you may take the turtle stencil off and you're ready to start cutting into the coconut. Once you have attached your cutting disc on the end of your Dremel, you may start cutting out the turtle. Cut it out a square around the turtle, making sure to leave lots of excess shell in between the outline and where you're cutting, because we'll do the fine details later. Now that you are done cutting your turtle out of your coconut, you will use the same cutting disc to get rid of most of the excess coconut shell around your outline, but make sure not to cut any closer than 3 millimeters to your outline, because we will use a finer sanding disc for that. Most of the excess coconut shell from around the outline, you will attach this sanding disc to your Dremel. Now that you have attached your sanding disc to your Dremel, you may start getting more excess coconut shell off of the turtle, and you can sand it down right to your outline. Sanding all the edges of the turtle into a turtle shape, you will take a bowl of water, a turtle, and a piece of wet dry sandpaper. Stick the turtle and the wet dry sandpaper into the water to get them wet. Then put them like this and start sanding. When you're satisfied with the smoothness of your turtle, leave it to dry for a few hours and then it'll be ready.